Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I make tutorial videos. Here is my gloves. Series properly safe. Don't try it your home. It's only expert doctor make. Let's start today. This is my injection. First of all, I check your injection 5 ml and around 6 ml, and their bottom injection cap remove and check injection is okay or not okay. I think it okay. Let's ISO temperature. This is check your body temperature. My body temperature around 95. Let's start. Let's use this one. First of all, mix before use. Let's see my injection fill around 3. Let's use cotton.
All right, I'm just applying the antiseptic swab now to clean the area thoroughly. Next, we will administer the injection right here. You'll feel a brief pinch.